You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. It is pronounced Roman. If you do want to learn how to pronounce Roman names, names from Rome, ancient Rome, Italian names, Latin names in particular, stay tuned, I've got tons for you just in a second. This one is pronounced Roman, stress on the first syllable, Roman, as from Rome. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.